Hello everybody! There was an achievement to win a game with the Sloth kit, and this is seriously the worst kit. Like you get permanent slowness. That's the only reason why this kit is the worst. This is a mistake. No. This is a mistake even trying this out. Like, bruh. No, bro. Alright. There's a guy bridging right there. You could go for him. Maybe with the kindness of your heart. I need speed potions. I guess I'll have to play this. I mean, I hope I get speed potions. I need to win a game. I have permanent slowness too. Slowness too. This is the worst kit ever. Lol. Why did I? No. Oh, I'm not supposed to do that. I already have the night kit. I was like, how am I fast? Like, what? Oh gosh, I see sweat. There's definitely sweat in this game. Yep. Oh gosh. What is that? Oh, that just shines me a hope for this pack. A sharpness 5. Oh gosh, that's OP. Oh gosh. Yo, you're not gonna attack me, right? Right. Slowness. You got slowness, I hope. So you can feel what I feel. Because, yo, that would be amazing. Oh my gosh, this is literally the worst mistake I've ever done. I'm gonna win one game, right? Maybe not. Maybe not. I better win one game. No, it's a head game. Oh no. My gosh. Oh great. Why does it have to be a head game at the worst time ever? Yo, and this is kinda useless. Yo. Peace. No peace. Of course. I'm not gonna get on heads this game. I mean, unless somehow this miracle happens, but there's like no percentage of that happening. Lol. Slowness 2. Bruh. I need to get a speed potion. Oh my gosh. This is a sweaty game, definitely. I gotta get a sword. Where is this madman? Right, that was close. How can I beat a 20? Oh, how can I beat him? Enzi, or how can I beat a 25-star with more than a 25-star with the Sloth kit? Like, I'm not even using Night and I get destroyed by him. Like, here's my achievement. Let's go! Yes, we got it! I literally thought it didn't give it to me for some reason. I literally killed a 36-star. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. This is a short video. Dude, oh my. Guys. This is insane. Oh my.